Hey everyone, I'm Praveen and welcome to AI Sparks, where artificial intelligence meets innovation and excitement. On this channel, we spark curiosity and ignite imagination with AI-powered insights, tutorials, and explorations. From machine learning to robotics, we'll dive into the future. Today, imagine this. You have an idea for a CLI tool, and instead of spending hours wiring it up, you type a single command and it's ready. Feels unreal, right? Here's the real problem. CLI tools are everywhere, but building them is surprisingly repetitive. You define arguments, parse inputs, handle edge cases, and rewrite the same patterns again and again. It's not hard, but it drains time and focus. This brings us to the concept behind CLI Generate Accelerating Command Line Tooling. By Maas Ali and contributors, the core idea is simple but powerful. Instead of writing CLI logic manually, you describe your CLI in a structured way, commands, options, behaviors, and the generator turns that into a working CLI tool. So you shift from how to build to what to build. It's like giving a blueprint and watching the building assemble itself. Under the hood, it maps structured definitions into executable command logic, handling parsing, validation, and command routing automatically. So all that boilerplate just disappears. Let's break down how it actually works. You start by defining your CLI spec. This includes commands, flags, and expected inputs. Then, the generator processes this spec and outputs a ready-to-use CLI structure. Each command becomes a function or handler, wired together without you manually connecting the dots. And because it's structured, you can easily extend or modify behavior without rewriting everything. Think of it like assembling Lego blocks instead of carving pieces from scratch. Now, where does this fit in real systems? You can use it as a rapid prototyping tool, great for internal utilities or developer tools, or integrate it into a larger automation pipeline where CLIs are generated dynamically based on configs. In Python environments, this fits naturally with scripting workflows. You can even combine it with LLMs to auto-generate CLI specs from plain English prompts. That's where things get really interesting. AI defining tools and generators building them. But there are trade-offs. Here's a key pitfall. If your CLI definitions are unclear or inconsistent, the generated tool becomes confusing fast. You lose usability even if the code is correct. Another issue, overgeneration. If you try to automate everything, you may end up with rigid or bloated interfaces. So here are a couple of practical tips. First, design your command structure thoughtfully before generating anything. Clarity at the definition level means clarity in the final tool. Second, keep your specs modular. Separate command definitions from execution logic so you can evolve them independently. And third, start small. Generate one clean command, test it, then expand step by step. This avoids messy rewrites later. At the end of the day, CLI Generate is about shifting effort from writing repetitive code to designing better developer experiences. And as tools like this evolve, we're moving toward a world where you don't build tools from scratch, you describe them into existence. So next time you open your terminal, ask yourself, are you coding the tool or could you just generate it? If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which AI system you want to build next. Stay smart. See you in the next video.